Calcutta High Court verdict has escalated. The Prime Minister has raised the High Court's verdict cancelling the OBC certifications of 2010. The Prime Minister has hit out at Mamata Banerjee and the India Bloc leaders, and he has hailed the decision of the Calcutta High Court. He called this whole incident a conspiracy by the TMC to woo the voters to maintain the Tahir vote bank. This comes after Mamata refused to abide by the High Court verdict.
इंडी गठबंधन की साजिश का ताजा उदाहरण पश्चिम बंगाल में सामने आया। 2 दिन पहले ही कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट ने वहां 77 मुस्लिम जातियों के आरक्षण को खत्म कर दिया। कोर्ट ने किया। आप लोग कल्पना कर सकते हैं, मुसलमान की 77 जातियों को इंडी गठबंधन वालों ने रातों रात ओबीसी बना दिया था और ओबीसी का जो हक था वो उनको दे दिया था। अदालत ने उसको गंभीरता से लिया। इन 77 मुस्लिम जातियों को नौकरी में, पढ़ाई में, हर जगह भलाई मिल रही थी। ऐसा करके इंडी गठबंधन ने ओबीसी के हक पर डाका डाल दिया। ऐसा करके इन लोगों ने संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ा दी, संविधान की पीठ पे छुरा भोंका है। अब कोलकाता हाईकोर्ट के फैसले के बाद ये इंडी गठबंधन वाले बौखलाए हुए हैं। बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री तो सीधे सीधे कोर्ट के आदेश को मानने से भी इनकार कर रही है। इनके लिए संविधान कोई मायने नहीं रखता, इनके लिए अदालतें कोई मायने नहीं रखती। इनका सबसे सगार कोई है तो इनका वोट बैंक है।
Mendigar, give us those details that the Prime Minister has now attacked Mamata Banerjee and the TMC with regards to the reservation that had been given under the Mamata Banerjee government to the Muslims under the OBC quota, which at this point of time has been taken away by the High Court as per its order. Mendi, can you hear me? Manoj Jaiswal, he is the TMC. Manav Jaiswal, who is the TMC spokesperson on the telecast with me. Manav, the big question being raised by the Prime Minister, by the BJP and of course the public, that the High Court has now ordered that these reservations under which Muslims have been given quota under the OBC need to be removed. Why is Mamata Banerjee so hesitant and in denial of the High Court verdict? Well, this case pertains to the OBC quota, and it has been an ongoing narrative between the BJP and the other parties with regards to Muslims being given quota under the OBC scheduled caste and scheduled tribe reservation. The BJP has been training guns on the opposition, on the Congress and now on the TMC that they have taken away the rights of the OBCs and given it to Muslims under the religious quota, under the discrimination being done, under the divisions being formed in favor of the Muslims, which is in violation of our constitution. All right. Prime Minister has been raising the issue of the Muslim quota and how the Congress allegedly had in its manifesto promised reservations to the Muslims if it came to power. In fact, one other point that was raised by the Prime Minister was about the Muslim reservations the Congress has promised in the government contracts. And the Prime Minister attacked the Congress, other India alliance members, parties of playing the secularism card, and under the garb of the secularism card, they have been practicing religious polarization. They have been practicing sectarianism and communalism.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.